In this video, I will show you how to speed up or slow down videos in Instagram Reel. So if you actually want to do that, what you can do in that case is to head over and then click on this plus icon right here on the very bottom of your screen. Once you have clicked on this, you can see in here the post, but once you have swiped, you can see also the reel. So head over, click on the reel, and you also have the option to just upload a video that you have available. But for this case, let's head over and using here the camera option. On this camera option right here, you can see this is 1x. So when you click on this 1x, you can have the option to use this 0.3x, 0.5x, 2x, or 3x. This means that you can actually slow down using the 0.3x or 0.5x, or you can also speed up using the 2x or 3x on this particular option. So just choose which one you want to use and then proceed to record your reel and then post it into your own convenience. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like and or subscribe because I'll reach more people. See you soon.